Boom! Yes, folks, Hume again. So I just finished do a little explanation on question 2 in the CSEC Maths 2024, and I want to take a few minutes just to let you know that I have a July session for Form 5 students. Maths and the AdMaths, let me just give you the information quickly, and you will see the flyers. You see the number on the flyer, make the call, make your arrangements, organize the payments, and let me get the show on the road. All right? Now, these sessions, first and foremost, are me with my students who are already in my class, simply continuing the work that we're already doing. This is not me coming to explain stuff at the beginning of the syllabus. You can't factorize, so you join my July class. You got problems. All right? Let me say, what else? Something missing in your number 1 or something missing in your number 3. You got problems. We just continuing. So in my maths, we just finished, well, we finishing straight lines. So all my work with my students will be predicated upon that. We just continuing from straight lines. We will probably touch, not probably, we're going to touch stuff in section 2, and we'll touch some other stuff in section 1. Yeah, this is not me having a class for people who now start in the syllabus. If you're now starting the syllabus, don't even bother to come. And I'm saying that not to be rude or harsh or anything, but I don't want people coming and they tell themselves they pay the money and they come, and then you ain't get what they expect. If you're a total beginner, this is not the class for you. If you're moving forward and you have a little momentum and you maybe 1 or 2 little, things that you had to brush upon, and you want to come in an environment where people are serious, where are challenging you and are insisting on my work, very important, and are giving you stuff to do, are putting stuff on your plate, it's up to you to eat it, and are insisting on my assignments, then come, right? We're looking for people who, hopefully you'll be aiming for a 1, because once you're in section 2, that's the idea, right? That is the idea. People who are willing to work hard, who maybe just need a little push, maybe just need a little guidance, yeah. And you could come in my session, even if you're doing lessons somewhere else. Sometimes people have 2 teachers, sometimes you're in school and you're doing stuff and you come in my class. Whatever, right? The bottom line is, once you're with me and you're willing to do the stuff that I ask you to do without being unnecessarily rebellious, then come, right? You will see the days and the times. We started in July and we finishing in July. Right? The cost is $800. 2 days a week, 2 hours for every session. Look on the flyers and you'll see the days and the times. There is maths. AdMaths, same thing. Same thing for the AdMaths. Everything that I just said about the with respect to the maths, about my class just being a continuation of the work that I do with my students, it applies for the AdMaths. So where the AdMaths is concerned, you're having problems with the remainder theorem, you're not going to get that explained in my July session. I have a whole YouTube playlist on that. It's up to you to go and watch it if you want. Right? We finished section 1. We danced around in section 2. So for the July, my session basically will be about consolidating section 1, practice and past papers, and 1 or 2 little things I had to show them still. And we're moving forward in section 2. Videos, explanation, past paper questions, feedback, etc., 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 etc. Yeah? So that's basically it. So again, you're doing your AdMaths, you have a little momentum, maybe you're struggling a little bit, and you're willing to fight. You're willing to work hard. You're willing to make the extra effort. And you just need a little guidance. You need a little push. You need somebody to challenge you. You need somebody to hold you accountable. You need a little encouragement, maybe. Come. $800, 2 days a week. We start in July and we finish in July. And the time period, same as in maths, 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. Check the flyers and you will see the days for the maths and the days for the art maths. Alright? So, come through. Spend some time with me in July and let me make some progress now. What do you say?